Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make one of the Mexican recipe, Pico de Gallo. So let's start. So we need these things to make the Pico de Gallo: tomato, onions, parsley, lemon, and red chili, pepper, and salt. Let's see how to make. First, you need to cut the tomato in this way: on top one slice, below one slice. So you need to remove the middle part of the tomato, so you can cut it in this way easy. Make sure all the seeds are removed. So inside you need to clean everything. After that, you can start the diced tomato. So you can cut it in this way. You can cut straight first, then you can make it diced. Make sure the seeds all remove and keep aside, and the part we're using, make sure it's clean without seeds. And I show you how to go and cut on top. We can use all of the things in the tomato except the seeds. So you have to dice on top the slice also as well. And the below part as well, you need to diced. And you can put it everything in one small container. So because after everything we need to mix, so make sure it's a bit deep one. It's easy for you. Then we start to cut onion. Onions must be diced, so you can follow in this way. You see, it's easy to dice in this way. Make sure it's a small diced, not so big. So because it's we're going to eat as a raw food, so you can put it in the same container with tomato. Now we're going to cut red chili. After you make cut the red chili, you need to remove all the seeds inside because it's quite spicy. So make sure you remove the seeds, everything, otherwise it's super spicy. If you like spicy, make it spicy in the Pico De Gallo. Yeah, you can use the seeds as well. So but for me I prefer a bit spicy, so I remove all the seeds. Then you can cut it into small slices. Make sure it's very small. Then you can put the chili also on top of the onion and the tomato. So after that I'm going to cut the coriander leaf. Make sure the coriander leaf, the you just cut it and remove it a bit on top, otherwise it become more bitter taste. So just remove some part with together with the roots. So make sure that the parsley is chopped. We can call it coriander leaf, and as well we can call it Chinese parsley. Make sure it's chopped well, otherwise you can taste the bitter more bitter. So make so that chopped it well, like very small pieces. Now you can add it into the chili, onion and tomato inside the bowl. So now I'm going to put some black pepper. Roughly around 3 to 4 grams is enough because it's two tomatoes only. So it depends how what is your taste. So you like more a bit salty, then maybe you want more pepper, so you have to adjust that one yourself. Then I'm going to add the salt. After that, I'm going to add the lemon. Lemon, you need to remove all the seeds as well, otherwise it's everything drop into the food bowl, so it's not really taste well with the seeds. So you need to squeeze it well to take the lemon juice. Now I'm going to mix everything. I put tomato, onion, chili, coriander leaf, pepper, salt, lemon. Now I'm going to mix it. You have to mix it very well because it's all the ingredients are raw and it's healthier food. Now it's ready to serve. You can eat this one with bread, uh, rice, anything. You can make it this one for your breakfast, lunch, dinner, anytime you can eat, and it's healthier food. Thanks for watching my video. See you again with new video. Bye.